Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a graph in Microsoft Word. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Word. Once you open, you simply need to come here onto the insert, click on chart. So here you can see different options, whatever graph you want to add. So I want to add this one. For example, click on OK and wait for a few seconds. After that, it will be added. And you can change the values from here. So here you can see categories. So I'm going to add here name like so here you can see that all name will be changed. You can change the series from here like this. Here you can see, and you can change stat values as well. So I'm going to change that from 3 to 10. So here you can see the effect, and you can change the title as well from here. So this is the process how you can create a graph in Microsoft Word. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.